This was sent to us about a month ago to try out to make this video, and ever since we got it, we've been using this all the time because we love it so much. I'm at family right now, which is why it's so loud. We're doing a water party today. That's what makes this thing so great. We just put it in the back of our van. When we need to set it up, we just take it out, we set it up. It takes about 5 seconds to set this thing up. Another nice thing about it is it has these cup holders. So right here it has a place you could put 2 soda cans or 2 cups. Over here on this side, you've got it. I think this is insulated. You got this insulated pouch, so you could put stuff in there. You got this zipper, so you could put more sodas or whatever you want to in there. And then in the middle here, you've got these areas where I guess you could put magazines or other stuff. I don't know what you'd put over here. We kind of use this as a third seat because we have little kids, but it works really nice for that. The material is nice and soft. It's more or less like any other camping chair you'd get, but obviously this is a double chair, which makes it double cool. But what I really like about this is it's just really easy to use. So if you're ready to put it away, you do kind of shake it a little bit, but you just put it at an angle like that. You got a strap that goes around like that, and then you put it in its case. And then when you're ready to get it out, all you have to do is pull it out. That's it. Nice and comfortable. Another cool thing about this is the case for this. If you want, you could set this out. If you have little kids or a baby, you could put it on there. If you want a little tiny picnic blanket or something, you could use that so things don't get dirty. But overall, we've really loved having this chair. It's just really comfortable, easy to set up and put away. Got a nice case, stores really well. This is a great camping or outdoor chair.